Hello, Martina. How are you?
Hi, Mr. Seft. I am okay at this moment.
What we'll discuss today, Tina?
I still don't understand for passive voice, Mr. Seft.
Okay. I will explain. Remember the formula to make passive voices. Be is slash was slash have been, etc. plus verb 3. Past participle, I gave you the example.
What is that?
My father built this monument in 1965. It is active sentence.
How we can change become passive voice.
Remember to the formula.
This monument was built by my father in 1965.
Good. We use active verb to show thing which done by subject. Can you make the active sentence, Tina?
My mother cooked the rice.
Good. What else, Tina?
It's a big company. It employs 300 workers.
Correct. What else?
Father has sold his car for $10,000.
Correct. I continue my explanation. We use passive verb to state something happened to object. Now you change the active sentence become passive voice.
This is a very house. It was built in 1658.
What else?
300 workers are employed by this company.
Correct. What is next?
His car have been sold for $10,000.
Great. I continue. If we want to tell who or what they do, we use by. For example, 1. The student was taught by the teacher. 2. The car are repaired by the mechanic. 3. The building have been constructed by workers. Form of the passive voice is be plus past participle, V3. Now you make sentence active and passive in simple present tense.
Active, Mario answers the quiz. Passive, the quiz is answered by Mario.
Great. Now make in present continuous tense.
Active, Mario is answering the quiz. Passive, the quiz is being answered by Mario.
How about in present perfect tense?
Active, Mario has answered the quiz. Passive, the quiz has been answered by Mario.
Wonderful. Now, please make in present perfect continuous.
Active, Mario has been answering the quiz. Passive, the quiz has been being answered by Mario.
Now, you make it in simple past tense.
Active, Mario answered the quiz. Passive, the quiz was answered by Mario.
Good. Continue with past continuous tense.
Active, Mario was answering the quiz. Passive, the quiz was being answered by Mario.
Good answer. How about the sentence in past perfect tense?
Active, Mario had answered the quiz. Passive, the quiz had been answered by Mario.
Try to make sentence passive voice in past perfect continuous.
Active, Mario had been answering the quiz. Passive, the quiz had been being answered by Mario.
Correct sentence. Now, we continue with simple future. Make the sentence, Tina.
Active, Mario will answer the quiz. Passive, the quiz will be answered by Mario.
Continue with future continuous tense.
Active, Mario will be answering the quiz. Passive, the quiz will be being answered by Mario.
Try it in the future perfect tense.
Active, Mario will have answered the quiz. Passive, the quiz will have been answered by Mario.
How about the future perfect continuous tense, Tina?
Active, Mario will have been answering the quiz. Passive, the quiz will have been being answered by Mario.
Nice answer. Now, you make it in past future tense.
Active, Mario would answer the quiz. Passive, the quiz would be answered by Mario.
Let you try make it in past future continuous.
Active, Mario would be answering the quiz. Passive, the quiz would be being answered by Mario.
Bravo, Tina. Now, you understand how to make sentence passive voice.
Thank you, Mr. Seft.
You are welcome, Tina. And always stay on this channel, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so we can continue our discussion about subject for national examination.